Hey there, friends. Let's see if we can give the low bench a raise. Some of my viewers have suggested that I put a Moxon Vise on here, and I think that's a really good idea. I want a Moxon Vise that's going to raise this bench up a little bit. I love my low bench. It has been an excellent tool for me. I still want to be able to use it as a low bench pretty regularly, but need to get it up because the low bench just is not appropriate for every situation. So I'm going to build a platform with a Moxon Vise on here. My goal is to use only materials I already have in the shop. I'm going to try and avoid buying anything new for this. So what have I got? I got some ash left over from a previous project. Had the emerald ash borer in here, so got some really neat features in there. Gonna like that. Piece of 2x12 came out of a construction dumpster. I had to clean it up. It was looking pretty rough, but just a beautiful piece there. That'll serve as the top. I got a couple of these legs left over from a previous project that didn't go so well. The legs are actually mortised into the base here, so that should make it nice and sturdy. Got a couple of these that I can use. And I've got these Bessie pipe clamps laying around that I can try and actually make a pipe clamp Moxon vise. So I think I got everything I need, but we're going to get started, see how we get done. Hopefully you'll stick with me. and long overdue project. Got most of it knocked out yesterday, finished up a few things today. So let's take a tour of the bench. Let's zoom in a little closer here. All right, I took advantage of dog holes that were already in the bench and just used these Irwin quick grip clamps to clamp it down. Gives it a nice steady base. You can see down at the bottom those legs are mortised and tenoned into the bottom. The top is just a solid piece of 2x12. As I said before, it came out of a construction dumpster. The front vise is a couple of pieces of ash. Now, I want it to be able to have the vise open and close as we turn the hand screw. So, get my thumb out of the way. So I just took these Bessie 1/2-inch pipe clamps, because that's what I had on hand, drilled a hole and screwed them into the back. So that's to hold the pipe. And then around at the front, screwed those in as well. And what this allows me to do as we open, or as we unscrew it, the vise automatically opens up, and then we screw it to clamp. You notice here I've got a little bit of a chamfer. I should have done that prior to putting it on, but I actually didn't even think about it until it was too late. So now I'm going to come back with the with one of my planes and finish that chamfer up. You can see we have the double hand screw, and if you're usually this would be two-handed operations. Opens the vise up. Really sturdy, as you saw earlier. I can pick the thing up just by clamping it in here. It's a very nice height here. The total height of the extension is 21 inches. The other thing, I didn't think about it until after the fact, is this could actually be a child's bench. And as my grandchildren, right now it's just grandchild, but hopefully it'll be grandchildren as they grow up, this might give them the opportunity to have a bench. So the low bench could be their first bench that they use. That's really coffee table height. This could be their second bench, and then as they continue to grow, that could be a third bench. So this will really give me a great opportunity to get some work up at a higher level. This was supposed to be the bottom, but when I put the top on, I put it on upside down, so this knot hole is gonna have to be filled in, and that knot hole as well. But that's what I get for not paying attention. So overall though, very pleased with the build. I think it came out extremely well. This is going to be my new hand tool room, mainly because it is air conditioned, whereas my other ones, my main shop, is not air conditioned. So this is where I'll be doing the majority of my hand tool work. Again, if you got comments or questions, please drop those down below. I do read them all, and would love to hear from you. So until next time, take care. God bless.